How do I develop razor sharp focus? First of all, answer these questions. Do you watch videos while eating? Do you listen to songs while studying? Do you love multitasking? If you believe that multitasking is a good habit that saves both time and energy, then my friend, let me tell you, it's not. Earl Miller, a neuroscientist, says when you are trying to multitask, you typically don't get far enough down any road to stumble upon something original because you are consistently switching and backtracking. It affects your focus power and creativity negatively. Not only this, your productivity level decreases gradually if you do multitasking. The Stanford researchers compared groups of people based on their tendency to multitask and their belief that it helps their performance. They found that heavy multitaskers, those who multitask a lot and feel that it boosts their performance, were worse at multitasking than those who like to do a single thing at a time. The frequent multitaskers performed worse because they had more trouble organizing their thoughts and filtering out irrelevant information, and they were slower at switching from one task to another. So what's the solution? The solution is very simple yet difficult for those who are addicted to multitasking. Do one thing at a time, give it all your attention. When you will try to focus on that very task, you will realize your mind will be filled with thoughts. You won't be able to concentrate. So do this every time that happens. Stop and tell yourself that I am getting distracted. That's not what I want. I want to give it all my attention. I want a razor sharp focus. I do the same and trust me, it works. For those who want to develop razor sharp focus from today onwards, you will not watch videos or talk to anyone while eating and eat your food with joy. Don't listen to songs while studying or cooking or doing anything. I repeat, one thing at a time. If you love this video, hit the like, subscribe and also bell icon.